another political breaking update. We're getting to know more in the Paswan family drama after Chirag Paswan's uncle Pashupati Paras took control of the LGP legislative party in the Lok Sabha. The RJD is now welcoming Chirag Paswan to join the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. Here we play out what the RJD leaders have to say, because as far as Chirag uncle is concerned, Pashupati Paras, where he had said that right after taking control of the party, as he says that he is protecting the party, he would want to be back to the NDA fold, something that Chirag Paswan was very much against right before the Bihar elections were to take place. He had broken off from the ranks from the NDA. Now what we are getting to know is the opposition party, the RJD, which is now welcoming Chirag Paswan. Let me go across to Prakash now, joining us this morning. Prakash, very interesting developments taking place, because Chirag Paswan did not head towards the NDA. Will he now head towards the RJD? They are giving him an open invitation.
Well, politics is a game of possibility, and anything can happen in politics depending upon the situation. And political realignments do take place, keeping in mind the situation. So Chirag Paswan will definitely wait and watch what is up on his sleeves, and he would like to take the battle in Bihar with the dissidents here in Bihar and get his flock together, because it is about the base of 5% Paswan votes which his father represented, and he also wants to carry the legacy forward. And RJD also fully well understands that in order to complete the bouquet of different castes, because it has to be a rainbow alliance of different castes, and if they can add another 5% to the kitty, they will have a upper notch. So that is why RJD feels it's important, and Chirag is a young leader, but definitely he will wait and watch, and depends on the situation, political realignment takes place.
Right, because he still is waiting for a meeting with his uncle, because quite dramatic developments have taken place in the national capital itself. Thanks very much, Prakash, for joining in. We'll listen into what Shivanand Tiwari of the RJD has to say, while he is now advising Chirag Paswan that he should now head towards the RJD.
देखिए, चिराग पासवान तो इस्तेमाल हुए। विधानसभा का जब चुनाव हो रहा था, उस समय नीतीश कुमार के विरुद्ध जो भी उनका बयान आ रहा था, किसी ने उनको टोका नहीं। उस समय भी वो कहते रहे कि नहीं, हम एनडीए में हैं, हम नरेंद्र मोदी के हनुमान हैं। लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी हों या अमित शाह हों, बिहार के दौरे में किसी ने एक शब्द जो है चिराग पासवान के खिलाफ नहीं कहा। ये भी नहीं कहा कि चिराग पासवान नीतीश कुमार के खिलाफ जो एक अभियान चला रहे हैं उससे एनडीए को नुकसान होगा, ये भी कहते नहीं, प्राइवेट में ही मना कर देते। लेकिन उनको माने इन लोगों ने या तो कहलवाया या मौन रहकर उनके मन को बढ़ाया। तो सब मिला जुला करके इन लोगों ने चिराग पासवान को दरकिनार किया। चिराग पासवान भी सबको भरोसा में लेकर नहीं चल पाए। वो उनको ये लगा कि नहीं साहब, माने हमारे ही बल पर सब लोग हैं, रामविलास जी के बल पर सब लोग थे। लेकिन अभी चिराग पासवान की वो हैसियत नहीं बन पाई थी कि उनके मन में ये बात आए कि हम, अब उन पर निर्भर करता है कि कैसे क्या करेंगे। पशुपति कुमार पारस हो या चंदन हो, ये इनका अपना कुछ वजूद नहीं है। जो है सो रामविलास पासवान के ही चलते था। तो अब चिराग किस ढंग से एक्ट करते हैं, और हमको लगता है कि चिराग के सामने कोई इसके अलावा विकल्प नहीं है कि वो महागठबंधन में के साथ जुड़े। अकेले वो अपनी पार्टी को फिर से संभाल करके खड़ा कर पाएंगे, इसमें हमको संदेह है।